Hello and good morning. It is Monday, the 6th day of March 2017. My name is Derek. Welcome. Let's take a look at the daily silver and Bitcoin charts, with today's session being continuation within Friday's day, which is just hanging in there within this key support. It says on the calculation 76.4, which is the mathematical level to calculate it. It is 76.4% from here to here, which means from here to here, it is a 23.6% correction. And this to here would be a 38.2. So on the first key level of support at 1782, it has done so and just hung in there for a while. Because of this band going sideways, a move like this, as long as it's in this range of the 17 and 3/4 up to 18 and a half, this market is deemed in my book as neutral, and because of this uptrend with an upward bias within such, because it's at the lower end of the range, it is more cautious or bearish to that point where it looks as if it may make a move towards this point. On that case, that would be the setting up to establish support to revert the trend, because if this trend is like this, it's an uptrend. If it's sideways, it's a downtrend, and of course, or neutral, excuse me, and this is a downtrend. So for this to go lower, it needs to at least make a move towards this point, and that would be the test to do such. Any clear breaks below here, you could deem it pretty much bear market, but you would expect that there's a good chance if it does come here, you're probably going to come back here. I think that's a pretty good guesstimate for the situation. And then on the break above here, resumption of the bull market, especially if it does it quick, aka back in here, then that would be a very strong setup. And there's nothing wrong with this thing just going sideways for an extended period of time, like a month or so. And right now, that's 17 and 3/4 and 18 and a half. And that is how I view direction within the market. For Bitcoin now, we see that's been about 4 or 5 days going sideways, and this is in a range up from a high of 1298, 1290 to 1295 as a better resistance level, and 1300 as a psychological key break above is what you're looking at there. And then again on support, you're looking at about 1230 as its range. So that's about a 4% range. And within such, it does seem as if the number cliff high was giving, which I think was 1295. It doesn't matter when you're that close. Anything in that area is an exact hit as far as I'm concerned. And as he mentioned before that, he's like, okay, well, and this is back in here, coming up to this point, and then have a bigger level. And I can't remember what number he said. I got 1475. He might have said 25 or whatever. However, as far as I look at the technical analysis within such, it does seem as if on the break above the 1300 handle, there shouldn't be much getting in its way for 10-11% gain somewhere to this ballpark area, maybe 1450, 1500. Somewhere within that range, I would expect. On the break of support, well, that would probably indicate a deeper band test and maybe even a test of the previous large resistance of the 1140 mark. So thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a great day and great week. Bye-bye.